Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dong.
Daddy Dad.
Happy birthday.
Love you.
Happy birthday,
Hello, hello.
God
Hello.
bless, More birthdays to come. And God bless. Love you.
Happy birthday, Daddy Dad. We love you. Hello, hello.
Go.
Happy birthday, Daddy Dad. We love you. Hello, hello.
Go. Happy birthday, dong. We love you. Ako is still ligid-ligid here ever since you went away. Sige, regards ni Kristen ug di Kyle. Oh, sige na.
Happy birthday, Daddy Dad. We love you. Hello, hello.
Halo. Sige ka.
Dong, happy birthday. Ang samay atong handa diha.
Dire, wala. Sige.
Weg. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dede. More birthdays to come. Thank you for being so good to us. And may God guide you in your prayers through life. Even though you have many problems and struggles. But remember that you are stronger than you think. And thank you sa mga suporta nimo nga gihatag para ka lola, para sa iyang karang dialysis niya nga na. And I wish that all your prayers are fulfilled according to God's will. Once again, happy birthday and God bless you.
Mayong adlaw. Hello, Clipboy. Happy birthday. 40 na jud ka. Munay gingon nga life begins at 40. So, amping sa kanunay og happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Boy, happy birthday. Kuan, wish na ko sa imong birthday is kanang tagaan ka og good health ni God. I-bless ang imuang family nga inaot nga malipayon ka, matuman ng imong mga plano. Narami mo mga barkada, si Chris ako, ang tinuod nga barkada nimo nga wala nagbago. Anda mo tabang sa imo ha. Ayon lang ng kwarta kay kini mo mga amigo wala gini kwarta. So mouth book. Hindi balik nimo ko dire. Mag happy ta. Mato tag bukid, manguha tag durian, rambutan. Puhon ini balik nimo dire sa Pilipinas. Malay ang Ginoo. Dayon mo to ang tanan mga problema nato ato nang isalig sa Ginoo. Sampito na to siya kay ang tanang problema masulbad na gina siya Clipboy. Ayun lang ipagwala pag-asa. Kaarami imong mga amigo always. Again, happy birthday. Happy birthday sa imo, 40 years old na ta. Tungtong na tag 40. So ayun panila 40 life begins at 40. So di na magsugod. And more to. I-wish na ako nga good health. Ampon na to sa Ginoo. Dayon, once again, happy birthday, Clipboy. Amping din ha, kamundang Tintin, amping.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Daddy. What are you gonna say?
Happy
What
birthday.
are you gonna say to Daddy?
Blow the candle. Blow the candle.
Say, I love you, Daddy.
I'll blow the candle like that.